Student, class 9 math part 2 chapter 9 quadrilateral. Today our topic is theorem number 8.1. What is the statement? Statement is here. Now I am reading, just you see. Diagonals of a parallelogram, divide it into two congruent triangles. This is the most important theorem or statement. It means diagonals of parallelogram divide into two triangles in congruent. Okay, so this triangle and this triangle. Okay, so now let us see the figure. A B C D is a parallelogram and AC is a diagonal. AC is a diagonal. So here are two triangles, this triangle and this triangle. This triangle and these triangles will be congruent. Now let us consider A B C D is a parallelogram. Means A B C D is a parallelogram in which AC is a diagonal. Okay, student. So we know that join this vertex to this vertex, this is called diagonal. Now we need to prove that triangle ABC means ABC congruent to triangle ACD means ACD means this triangle and this triangle. Now prove in triangle ABC and ACD, ABC and ACD means ABC and ACD. What things are given here according to property? So we see here angle 1 equal to angle 4 in this triangle 1 and this triangle 4. Why angle 1 equal to angle 4? Because alternate interior angle. This is alternate interior angles. As parallel AB parallel to CD. See here AB parallel to CD and AC is a transversal. So that's why alternate interior angle. So similarly here angle 2 is equal to angle 3 means 2 is equal to angle 3. Same. Alternate interior angles are equal as AD parallel to BC. In this case also AD parallel to BC and AC is a transversal. Mean this is for this triangle and this is for this triangle. This one for this triangle and this one for this triangle. Okay. Now and AC is equal to AC means AC is common. So we can see that angle side angle. So angle side angle rules we have. Angle side angle rules means angle side angle. So in this we can say that triangle ABC congruent to triangle ACD. Is it clear? So now we want to prove that this one. So in this way we have to prove that. So this is so easy. Now one point note, diagonals of parallelogram divide into two triangles of equal area also. So here you have to keep it in mind. Suppose these triangles are congruent means area will be also equal. So at the time of doing the exercise, this point and remember two things. This is the most important. We have to apply. I hope you have to understood this theorem.